Hello. So this is the PCT CRM mobile application. So I'll click here. Now I need to provide the details to sign in. So here I'll provide. And these are the apps you can see over here. Now to open customers, I'll click on open. Here you can see all the listed customers. Now to search one specific customer, you'll type over here. Now to create a new customer, I'll click on this plus icon. Now here I will provide all the details. So here I have provided the basic details over here. Now I will click on add to add communications here. Now here you can see I have added the communications. You can see the title, type, directions. So directions can be of two types. So I have selected the direction, then the time and date, and any note if you wish to. Then I'll click on save. Once I click on save, you can see the new customer is created. So you can view it by clicking on here. Okay, and you can also edit it by clicking on edit. Now here you can see the cell. So in this cell you have the circles with green are the approved sales orders, and the yellow ones are the pending ones. Now in the communication you can see the communication which you have just created. So here you can see all the communication as well. So now you can log out. Thank you.